Hello viewer, it's an image I have taken there. I will try to edit that image using the different features of Photoshop. So let's change the color, brightness as well, make it realistic as we can. So there we will add some filters from the filter gallery. Let's use the designs here. I will try to add some brush sizes, grain effect there, add a paint around it. So there we have. I will choose another color in the background. We will add it.